Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put TubeBuddy on YouTube Studio. So in order to do this, you will have to first of all open any browser. After opening your browser, go to the search bar and search for Chrome Web Store. Now click on Chrome Web Store and search for the extension that is TubeBuddy. Now after clicking on TubeBuddy's extension, click on the install button that you will see just right here. So I've already installed this extension. That's why I'm not seeing the install button, but you will see the install button just right here. Click on install and TubeBuddy will install itself on your browser. Now open a new tab, cut this out and click on the YouTube option. Now after you open your YouTube, it's mandatory to sign up on TubeBuddy. And in order to do that, go to the search bar and search for TubeBuddy. Now click on tubebuddy.com and click on sign in option that you will see at the top right corner. Because I've already created my account, I'm seeing my account option. And if I click on my account, as you can see, I have TubeBuddy account already created. And if you want to learn how to sign up and create a TubeBuddy account, I've already created another video on this topic. You can go into our videos, you can go to our channel and search for sign up on TubeBuddy video, learn how to sign up on TubeBuddy. Now after creating a TubeBuddy account, you will have to simply come to YouTube and you will see the TubeBuddy icon at the top right corner. But we are going to click on our profile icon at the top right corner on our YouTube and click on YouTube Studio. After we click on YouTube Studio, you will see a sign in to TubeBuddy notification just right here. Click on sign in to TubeBuddy and click on sign in to YouTube option on this page. And after you click on sign in to YouTube, you will see an option to choose an account. So I'm choosing the account that I've used to create my TubeBuddy account. Now I'll click on continue and click on allow. Now click on sign into TubeBuddy. Now after you click on sign into TubeBuddy with your account, you will see this page that says upgrade to pro. So you'll have 5 free uses for Keyword Explorer. You will have 3 free uses for related search terms and 5 free uses left for title generator after you create your account. If you don't want to upgrade, simply click on no thanks and now TubeBuddy has been put onto my YouTube Studio. If I click on content under my YouTube Studio, now I can see that I have TubeBuddy tools just right here. At the right corner, if I click on this and click on Keyword Explorer, I can search for my keywords in this YouTube Studio and that will be shown in this result. I can also hover my mouse over any of these videos and click on this TubeBuddy icon and I have the option for tools, launchpad, quick links, info and notes. So if I click on tools, I have all these TubeBuddy tools available at my fingertip. Now I can use them simply by coming to my YouTube Studio. So that's how you put TubeBuddy to your YouTube Studio. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.